All right, here from Raven Run Nature Sanctuary, coming up on the Evans Mill Pond Dam here, the very pretty much back of the park. Our way down. Yeah. A few years ago, the last time we were here, I played in the water. Of course, it was 90 degrees. Don't think I will be today. It's like 55 degrees and kind of breezy, so I'm sure we'll be back out here later in the year. Go play in the waterfall. Yeah.
Oh, look at this beautiful rock wall.
Oh, yeah. Classroom here. But yeah, this is a popular area in the summertime. A bunch of kids, parents out here kind of playing in the water.
And us.
And us. Especially me.
Better believe if it's
Yeah.
shit out and I'm sweating from all this hiking, I'm going to be in that water. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Well, pretty good water flow today. Here we are. Yeah, the water goes way up that way and it's kind of swings its way down here into the little gorge. And we're at the edge of the park there again as well, so can't really go past there too far. These rocks do get kind of slippery, so just be careful. Yeah, this is gorgeous.